Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we will go through the steps of surgical extraction. Just a reminder that all the information that is bolded and highlighted in blue is something I've seen come up on various exams, and you should really try to remember those. Now, let's jump right in. So first off, we will cover the types of flap design that you really need to know. So the envelope design shown on the bottom here is a flap without any vertical releases. Next, we have the three-cornered incision shown here. So one corner, two corner, three corners, which only has one vertical release. And on this photo, you can see the trapezoidal flap design, which has two vertical releases. Now, there is no strict rule in which case each one of these should be used. It